Well, good morning from Silverthorne, Colorado. We're next to the Blue River here, which is our condo backs right up to it. And we didn't realize it was here because we kind of got in late last night. But we could hear this little babbling brook and we decided to go check it out this morning. So it is a gorgeous morning. So hope everybody's doing well.
Well, here we are in Buena Vista, Colorado. This is the Arkansas River back here behind us, and we're going to be kayaking on it here shortly. It's just beautiful. There's a little trail down beside the river right here, and we're just going to kind of take a little walk and see where it leads.
Well, and we just saw a guy surfing on the river, and right as I was about ready to try to film him, he wiped out. So we're going to wait a few minutes and see if he can. He kind of went flying down the river after he wiped out. So once he gets up and walks back up this way, if he gets back on it, we'll videotape that because that'll really look kind of cool.
Yeah.
So anyway, we'll talk to y'all later.
Hey.
Come here. Something got his eye or smell or something he took.
Oh, he saw a little blackbird fly down there. And
oh.
He thinks he's a bird dog. Blue, come here. Come on. I like to chase crows.
Hey there.
Hey.
Across the yard.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You too. Okay, so Ron and I got to Buena Vista a little bit early.
Yeah.
Had a great breakfast. And then decided to walk along the river. Met some people from Winsboro, Louisiana. Live in Oklahoma City now, but still, it was just really funny.
And then a young couple we met where we were eating breakfast. It was from Monroe, Louisiana. Her dad, she was born there, but left when she was 2, and her dad's an oncologist there. And he lived in River Oaks subdivision, which is where we live.
Where we used to. So anyway, and then there was another family there. She had on a Ruston, Louisiana t-shirt. So anyway, It's just quite a small world, but this is what we love to do. We kind of ate breakfast, then decided to drive down by the river, found this perfect little trail right along the river.
Yeah, we're going to check out our route when we go kayaking.
I think this is where we'll be, but anyway.
So, who knows?
Who knows?
See how many more Louisiana people we'll run into today.
Exactly. As Ron and I were traveling to Buena Vista, we passed through the small Colorado town of Leadville, and I recalled that my childhood friend Galen had grandparents that lived there, and when we were kids, they would go and spend the summer in Leadville. So I texted Galen and sent her a picture of the town sign as we drove through, and she sent back a text and said, "Oh, I would love for you to take some pictures of my grandmother's house in Leadville." We went to the address in Leadville and met the owner of the house, Patty Smith, and she invited us to come in and take pictures, and so we did. She was the most gracious person and let us take pictures of all of the interior of the house. As we were coming through the living room, she told Ron that her dad had flown in the Pacific Theater during World War II, and she showed Ron just a few of the aviation memorabilia of his that she has, and that was just a wonderful experience for us too. Alright, so we are getting ready to have dinner at Treeline. We are in Leadville, Colorado, and another beautiful little Colorado town.
All right, here's mine. It is a crispy chicken sandwich. Look at that. With crispy smashed potatoes.
Yep, that's it.
And then Janis has
lamb pasta. Looks delicious. I cannot wait to try this. Okay, this is mine. It's a sticky toffee pudding. Looks delicious. And some coffee, of course. And Ron's got chocolate mousse.
oh man, that's real good.